Welcome to St. Charles Catholic School. I'm Paul Horton, the honored principal of this school. Please come on in.
Hi guys, my name is Jacob and I am in the 4th grade in St. Charles. It is a great school, it's more challenging, and I went to a previous school and it wasn't challenging at all. When I came to St. Charles, it was fun, it was challenging, I liked it, all the teachers were great.
I love that at St. Charles that the teachers take care of bullies and they really care about us. My favorite subject at St. Charles is math because it's easier for me and it's like playing games.
Hi, my name is David and I am a student at St. Charles Catholic School. I've been here for 1 year and I really like it so far. I love my friends and my community.
Hi, my name is Lily and I'm a 6th grade student from St. Charles. This is my first year here as a Cardinal and I really love it. My favorite class, but so far, is science. I really enjoy learning about new continents and different parts of the world.
Hi, my name is Santos. This is my 2nd year in St. Charles and I'm a 6th grader. I like this school because the teachers are really nice and all my friends are really nice too. I like playing sports with all my friends and my favorite subject is math. I like math because I like working with numbers.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Kaprowski, the 3rd grade teacher and assistant principal over at St. Charles Catholic School. My favorite thing about the school is the community. We have wonderful students who take care of each other, and we also have wonderful teachers who make sure that they are teaching at the students' ability level and working on the students' learning needs and establishing their gifts and talents to create future saints in our society.